Want to be the go-to real estate expert in your database and boost your website traffic at the same time? Alright, let's dive into how to send a curated list of homes directly from your KVCore website to your database first. Logged into your KVCore platform, we're going to head over to the Marketing Autopilot section, usually found on the left-hand side menu. This is where the magic starts. Next, click on the Search tab at the top now. Create a saved search based on specific criteria that would appeal to a segment of your database. Think neighborhood, price range, property type, number of bedrooms. The more targeted, the better. Click the plus button to add specific cities. Once you've dialed in your criteria, make sure to hit the Save Search button, name your search something descriptive, and select who you want to receive listing alerts from this search, like just yourself. You should now be able to see your saved search in the list now. You can click the Saved Search to view listings that meet the criteria. Now, pay attention. This is the critical part. Copy the link from the address bar at the top of your browser. This link leads directly to the list of homes you've curated on your website. Finally, craft an email to your database segment. Use an appealing subject line. Briefly explain the list of homes, and then paste the link we just copied. Make it personal and valuable, not just a sales pitch. Include a call to action, encouraging them to explore the listings and reach out with any questions. And that's it. Now you can send them the email and watch your website traffic climb as your database engages with your expertise. Good luck.